Have you ever wondered how a car brand could blend art and engineering into sheer automotive excellence? Let's embark on an exhilarating journey through the rich and tumultuous history of Bugatti, a name synonymous with luxury, speed, and innovation. Visionary beginnings. Ettore Bugatti was born on September 15, 1881, in Milan, Italy, into a family brimming with artistic talent. His father, Carlo Bugatti, was a renowned designer of furniture and jewelry, while his grandfather was a celebrated artist and sculptor. Despite this artistic lineage, young Ettore's heart was set on engineering from an early age. His journey into the automotive world began at the age of 16 when he repaired a broken bicycle, showcasing his innate talent. Early years, from bicycles to automobiles. At 17, Ettore crafted his own motorized tricycle powered by two Didion engines. This success led him to leave the Brunetti and Stucci factory, where he was apprenticing, to pursue automobile design. His talent soon caught the eye of the De Dietrich company, and by 19, Ettore was designing cars for them, laying the foundation for his legendary career. Rise of Bugatti automobiles. In 1909, Ettore Bugatti established his own company in Molsheim, France. His first major success came with the Bugatti Type 10, a lightweight, high-performance vehicle that set the stage for future innovations. This was followed by the Type 13, which became famous for its advanced engineering and impressive performance in racing, particularly at the French Grand Prix in 1911. Golden Era, dominating the racing world. The 1920s and 1930s marked Bugatti's golden era. The Type 35, introduced in 1924, became one of the most successful racing cars of all time, winning over 1,000 races. Ettore's vision extended beyond performance. He aimed to create cars that were also works of art. This philosophy was embodied in the luxurious Type 41 Royale, launched in 1926, which remains one of the most opulent cars ever made. Engineering marvels. Bugatti's cars were renowned not just for their speed, but for their groundbreaking engineering. Ettore Bugatti's meticulous attention to detail and innovative designs set new standards in the automotive industry. The Bugatti Type 35, for example, featured an advanced braking system and lightweight construction, giving it a significant edge over competitors. The Type 57, another masterpiece, combined cutting-edge aerodynamics with luxurious interiors, appealing to both racers and high-end consumers. Tragedy and struggles. Ettore's son, Jean Bugatti, was not only his heir, but also a brilliant designer in his own right. Jean played a crucial role in the development of the Type 57, which is considered one of the most beautiful cars ever made. However, tragedy struck in 1939 when Jean died in a car crash while testing the Type 57. This loss was a devastating blow to Ettore and marked the beginning of a difficult period for Bugatti. World War II and its aftermath. The outbreak of World War I brought further challenges. The Bugatti factory in Molsheim was heavily damaged and production came to a halt. Ettore faced numerous obstacles in trying to rebuild his company after the war. The economic environment was harsh and the competition was fierce. Despite his best efforts, Ettore Bugatti struggled to restore Bugatti to its former glory. Bugatti EB110. In 1991, Bugatti unveiled the EB110, a technological marvel that captured the world's attention. The EB110 featured a quad-turbocharged V12 engine, all-wheel drive, and a carbon fiber chassis, making it one of the most advanced supercars of its time. However, despite its groundbreaking design and performance, the EB110 faced financial challenges. The company struggled with high production costs and a limited market, leading to its closure in 1995. Modern Era. A new chapter of excellence. In 2005, Bugatti achieved its goal with the introduction of the Bugatti Veyron. The Veyron was a masterpiece of engineering, capable of reaching speeds of over 254 miles per hour. It featured a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing 1,001 horsepower, advanced aerodynamics, and unparalleled luxury. The Veyron set multiple world records and solidified Bugatti's position as the leader in automotive innovation. Bugatti's story is far from over. As the brand continues to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, We can only imagine what the future holds for this legendary marque. If you enjoyed this journey through the fascinating history of Bugatti, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating stories from the world of automobiles. Buckle up, because the ride has just begun.